Hey and welcome to lesson 4 where I teach you how to read sheet music on the guitar. You go from beginner to advanced in how to sight read and read music notation. So let's jump into it. So here we're looking at the next note, which is the D note. So let me just quickly show you how to play this note here. So let me just zoom in here. So we're looking at the second string and the third fret. So second string, go up close here, second string, 1, 2, and third fret. That's your D note. Okay, and now on the stave itself, you can see the D note is located on the fourth line. Fourth line, that's where the D note is located. Okay, so the notes we know so far is G, F, E, D, and C. Okay, so if you haven't watched my previous lessons, just go back, watch those, so you get up to speed and you know all the notes up to now. Okay, so let's continue and let's look at exercise 79 here. So let me just make that a bit bigger for you. There we go. Okay, so exercise 79, as always, we start with just playing the D note itself. And we're looking at playing the different note values. So the first note is a whole note. So that's 4 beats like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have the second bar. That's 4 quarter notes. It goes like this. 1 beat each. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then third bar, we have 1 quarter note, 1 half note, remember that's 2 beats, and 1 quarter note at the end. So that goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then lastly, we have 2 half notes. 2 half notes here goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now let's play that all together. So remember, these are all D notes the whole way through. So let me play this together with you. All right, I'll count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so practice that a few times and then you can move on to the next one. So now we're looking at number 80 here. And let's just firstly look at the notes. So the notes we have is D, D, C, D. Then we have the D note. Then we have D note, D note, C, and then D again. Okay, so remember, let me just put it up close. Remember here, C note and D note. C and D. Okay, so let's play this one together. Exercise 80. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, great. Let's go on to the next one. Now we're looking at number 81. So for 81, let's first look at the notes we see. So D note, F, D, F, D, 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 F, D, and F. So remember, the D note is on the second string, third fret. The F note is on the first string, first fret. Let me show you. So D note, second string, third fret. And then F note, first finger, so first fret, first string. So D note, second string, F on the first string, first fret. Let's now try number 81 together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay, let me play it one more time, a bit closer so you can see my guitar as well. Okay, D and F only. So you're only working on those two notes. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good. Try that a few times, and then you can move on to the next one. So number 82 now. So let's first look at the notes. We have the D note, we have the E note, we have the F note, we have the G note, F note, E note, and D note. So basically what we're doing here is we're just playing the notes in succession. Basically we're playing the scale. So we're going from D, E, F to G, and then go back. G, F, E, D, right? So let's play this one together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember, if you can't follow this, or if you feel like you're rushing, just pause the video, try to play it a few times on your own, and use a metronome. Put it slowly, 50 beats per minute, slow tempo. Just practice it, and then you can resume the video and try again. Okay, so that's number 82. Let's go on to 83 now. So 83, no, this one we have quarter notes all the way through. Okay, and we play all the notes we know so far. So it goes from here, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G. So we're just going up and down the scale, playing all the notes together. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's play it one more time. This time I'm gonna name the notes instead. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, 2, 3, 4. Okay, great. Pause the video here. Try that a few times, and then you can move on. Okay, now next we're gonna put together line 1 and line 2, because this is actually 2 lines all together. So let's look at line 2. So as you can see at the end of this this line, there's just one line here. So that means we continue on to the next line, and we stop here with these 2 lines vertically. That's where we stop that exercise. So now let's try it together, both lines all together. So let's take a moment, just look at the notes here. So we have C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, G, F, E, D, C. So very similar to the first line, we're just going up and down the scale here. So this should be relatively easy. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, great. Hope you're following along so far. Let's move on to number 84 now. So let's check the notes. Now we have C, we have E, we have D, we have F, we have E, G, E, we have C, E, D, F, and we have C. So get used to naming the notes before you play. Eventually you'll be able to do it automatically without even thinking. But in the beginning, it may take you a while to recognize the different notes. But with practice, you will get better at this. So let's try to play this one together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Okay, so let me do that again. But let me just zoom in a bit so you can see my guitar as well as I do it. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So hope you noticed how I'm playing the notes. Just one by one and slowly. So let's move on to the next exercise. The last exercise in this lesson is 85 here. So this is 2 lines here. So 2 lines, and let's just go over the notes. So what we got is, let's look here. G, E, F, and D. Then bar 2, C, E, D, and F. Then bar 3, G, E, F, D, G, E, and G. Then we go down here to 5th line, 5th bar rather, 1. So G, E, F, and D. Then C, E, D, and F. G, F, E, D. And then lastly C. Okay, so if you feel like you can follow along with this, make sure you go back and watch lesson 1, 2, 3. That way you can catch up and just revise the notes and get familiar with all those different notes. So we do it step by step in each lesson, and we slowly build it up. So you're always welcome to revise and go over those lessons a few more times before you go on to practicing this exercise. So let's try this one now together. Number 85. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, that's exercise 85. I'm gonna play it one more time. This time I'm gonna name the notes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, E, F, D, C, E, D, F, G, E, D, F, G, E, G, G, E, F, D, C, E, D, F, G, F, E, D, C. 3, 4. Okay, so that's the end of lesson 4 now. Keep practicing those exercises. Go over it again. Go over the lesson 1 to 3 and get familiar with those different notes. It will take time to practice, but the more you do it, the better you get. Okay, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.